Yo, AC, it's Wavekid here. So, this is my Luna 1 stick. I've changed the stick with the Salabi shit one for putting that into Salabi. But 2 days ago, against Harry Potter, I broke this and this button. So, I've bought a new stick. This one is PS1 wired. This 8 buttons. I think it's real arcade buttons. Looks really arcade. And the stick itself is butt top. I think that shit is 8-way because sometimes jump and this one is completely custom made, and I think it's iron because it's really heavy. It's heavy as fuck, and it's PS1 wired. That is all. See ya.